If you've been following the AI space recently, you've probably heard people talking about Seedance 2, and honestly, it's easy to see why. The video quality, the camera movement, the lighting, even the character consistency, it feels way more cinematic than what most AI video models could do before. Some of these shots genuinely look like scenes from real films, whether it's realistic footage,
This is not who I was.
anime-style scenes, futuristic worlds, or dramatic cinematic moments. Seedance 2 is creating videos that feel smoother, more dynamic, and much more alive. And that's exactly why it's getting so much attention right now. And now, Seedance 2 is officially available inside any video converter new version, which means you can generate AI videos directly inside the app. One of the biggest upgrades is reference-to-video generation. You can guide the AI using images, videos, and even audio files. There's also start and end frame generation. Just give the AI a first frame and a final frame, and Seedance creates the motion between them automatically. It's a really powerful way to turn static images into cinematic shots. Of course, you can also generate videos directly from text prompts. Just type your idea and let the AI build the scene for you. Now that it's integrated into any video converter, creating cinematic AI videos is easier than ever. Download and update any video converter today and try Seedance 2 for your creation. And to help creators get started, any video converter is also giving away free AI credits. So you can start generating AI videos right away. Download any video converter and claim your free AI credits